Okay guys, welcome to the channel. I hope you are having a fantastic week and you are making lots and lots of money. Like this video so that the YouTube algorithm can promote this video in front of other traders, and it also motivates me to continue making videos and sharing information and knowledge. Okay, so today's topic is kind of sad. I'm not celebrating. Unfortunately, I am not celebrating because for me this is bad news, because another local forex broker is getting closed, and I for once am a person who loves to support local. For me, there's no reason why I should be taking my monies out of the country and giving it away to some broker based in Cyprus or Australia. So it's said what is happened at JP Markets. If you didn't know, the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, the FSCA, finally managed to get a final liquidation order against JP Markets from the Gauteng High Court. Basically, it's the end of the road for JP Markets as a forex broker, in South Africa. They do have operations in Kenya, eSwatini, and several other regions. So I am not exactly sure how that's going to affect those operations which are outside of South Africa. So leave a comment in the comment section and tell me what you think. But as far as JP Markets is concerned in South Africa, this is the end of the road. You can find this statement on the FSCA's Facebook page. They have a link to it. If you go direct to the website, you might not find it. Statement says this is actually the first time that the FSCA has invoked the powers that it has in Section 38B of the FAIS Act. I'm not a legal guru, so I'm not going to pretend to be one. But Google the law and see what it says. But basically, the FSCA says by liquidating JP Markets, they are protecting the public against fairly to say a rogue financial services provider. The good news though, for people who had their monies trapped in the JP Markets accounts, is the FSCA says it is going to be working with the liquidators and to do everything in its power to ensure that clients of JP Markets recover as much as possible of their funds. You must understand the meaning of this. It might mean that as a trader, if you had invested your monies with JP Markets, you might not recover your money, or you might not recover all of it, because they are going to try to get you as much as possible, and you must also accept that there are fees and things like that. So if you invested $1,000 with JP Markets, do not be surprised if you manage to get $500, $600, $700, or even less. But they are going to try as much as possible to give you back your funds. So here is the amount that's in the JP Markets bank accounts that have been seized by the authorities. It's about 2.58 billion rand. I'm not sure how much that is today in US dollars. Leave a comment in the comments box below. It's quite a lump sum, but again, there might be other creditors, there might be other costs to this, so this money does not go to forex traders only. That's why they are going to try and give you as much as possible. Then this is a blow. This, when I saw this, it's a blow to Mr. Paulsen. I don't know him personally, I've never met him, but I follow him on Instagram and he seemed fairly a nice guy. Now the FSCA says it concluded its investigation against him, Mr. Paulsen, as an individual, as CEO of JP Markets, and it found from its investigation, from what it found from its investigation, it has given notice of its intention to debar him from the industry. So there is another blow for Mr. Paulsen. He might not be allowed to again work or have anything to do with the forex trading industry in South Africa for as long as he is alive, which is bad news. It's bad news. Probably is the only skill that he has, the only industry that he understands. Now, because of all this drama and saga that has happened at JP Markets, he might be banned from the forex trading industry, at least in South Africa. I don't know if it means it's going to be banned internationally, but I assume this means he's not going to play a role in forex trading in South Africa, which is the jurisdiction of the FSCA. And another blow is there might be a possible criminal prosecution, this probably against him as CEO of JP Markets. So a double blow for Mr. Paulsen there. Again, this is sad to hear, this is sad to see, and I hope many would be forex scammers, forex brokers in South Africa that are watching all this unfold are taking notes, they are taking lessons. I think these harsh actions against Mr. Paulsen also follow that once he was involved in another forex broker. What was the name? I'm forgetting the name. Which also, I think, closed down under a cloud. So he was involved in that before he actually went and started JP Market. So it's like wherever he is, there is always scandal. So I would understand what the FSCA is saying. I don't know if that is why they want to debar him from the industry, but yeah, I know before JP Markets he was also involved in another forex broker that turned out to be a scam. So yeah, it is what it is. Again, we love supporting local. We love supporting our local forex brokers, and I hope other forex brokers or people who are starting their own local forex brokerages are learning from this. Then you can read the rest of the statements. Yeah, so basically that's it. The drama is finally over. It's the end of the road for JP Markets. If you are a JP Market client, leave your comment in the comments box below. I would like to hear your thoughts. If you're a forex trader who was also watching this drama unfold, leave a comment in the comments box below. I would also want to hear your thoughts. Again, I am not celebrating in any way. I'm one guy who love to support local. I love to support the local guys, and it's sad that things have to come to this point, that you cannot trust the local guys. Now you must send monies to XM, IC Markets, Paperstone, and all those other foreign forex brokers, whereas there are other local brokers, but you can't just put money into their accounts because they are trustworthy, which is sad. Which is sad. Okay, like this video again, subscribe if you're not subscribed, leave a comment in the comments box below. If you want robots, indicators, strategies, in the description box below there are 2 links to the blogs. Visit the blogs and see what you can find there. If you can't find anything that you are looking for, leave a comment on any of the videos. I'll try my best to find you what you want. Okay, until next time, bye.